This month, the theme of our assembly is looking after the most vulnerable in society. Blarney Street School is an Edmund Rice school.
Edmund Rice saw the poorest people suffering in his city.
He gave what he had to help the poor and helped them to get an education.
In Blarney Street, we too can see the most vulnerable people suffering in our city.
Every year, our school community works hard to support a fantastic charity in our city.
Cork Penny Dinners.
Just like Edmund Rice,
Penny Dinners try to help the most vulnerable people in our city.
this time of year we usually collect food for penny dinners. Hundreds of bags are full with items.
The pupils of Blarney Street carry these heavy bags downtown. We sing songs and thank the volunteers in Penny Dinners. Unfortunately, this year we could not keep up our tradition, but we still thought of a way to help. We held a cinema day to raise money for Cork Penny Dinners. Every class got to safely watch their favourite Christmas movie. Together we raised €1,500. This money will feed those most in need this Christmas.
For keeping alive the generous spirit of Edmund Rice, we say thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Gora Matagot.
Gav Mahagot.
Thank you.
I thank for Aiken. Thank you for helping Penny Dinners.
Grazie.
Thank you to all the teachers and boys from Blarney for helping Penny Dinners. Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you everyone for donating to Penny Dinners.
Gov Margot.
Thank you for helping Penny Dinners. Thank you for helping Penny Dinners.
Thank you.
Thank you for helping Penny Dinners.
Dhanyavad.